We knew the patient's exposure to benzene from both his job and his daily life. And what will happen after benzene goes inside the body? This is the biological fate of the benzene. And benzene is absorbed well after inhalation or ingestion. So inhalation and ingestion are the main routes for benzene's absorption. Besides these two routes, dermal absorption is slow. Benzene is metabolized in the liver and the bone marrow. So liver and the bone marrow are the two main targets for the benzene. And the benzene excretion occurs via the lungs and the urine. So we can breathe out benzene through the lungs, and we can also excretion of benzene through urine. So what's the laboratory test for the urine? Do we have to test the benzene concentration in the urine or other chemicals? With this question, we will find out more biological fate of the benzene. Researchers found after a 4-hour exposure to the benzene in the air, 50% of the benzene will stay in your body. And the bone marrow is the main target organ of the benzene toxicity. We still don't know quite understood the metabolism in the bone marrow, but we may think one or more benzene metabolites are suspected as responsible for hematotoxicity. So the metabolites may bind to proteins and DNA and RNA and causing disruption of cell growth and replication. So benzene's metabolites disrupt the cell growth and replication in the bone marrow. And you will think about after the cell growth and the replication has something problem, what will happen to human body? Urinary excretion of metabolites, primarily phenol, is another important pathway for elimination. So first we have a question. What we should do for the patient to test the benzene's concentration from urine? Is that benzene? No, of course not. After benzene metabolized in our body, the benzene changed its structure to phenol. So for the laboratory test, we should test phenol, not test the benzene from urine, because phenol is the primary metabolite of benzene in our body. And the benzene, after it metabolized in the organs, the phenol is easily completed within 48 hours. So after 48 hours, you may not find the phenol in the patient's body.